right into it, you guys. So this is the wig that we will be working with today. This is the braided wig that we're going to be working with today, you guys. It is from my online store, Dash 27. So if you want to purchase, it's dash27.com. I'll leave all the details in the description bar below. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like. This is what the cornrows looks like. This is what the braids look like. And as you can see, you guys, the lace, it is Swiss lace, and it's almost like it's giving a scalp. Okay, it is giving a scalp. And also it comes with baby hairs at the front, and on the inside, you guys, I have two combs on the inside at the front, and there's a comb at the back. And also at the back of the wig, you guys, there's two elastics, so you can, two adjustable straps, I should say, so you can adjust the straps however you want it. And no, we are not going to be using glue for this install. Okay, just letting y'all know that. So what I'm doing here, you guys, I'm just adjusting the straps to fit my head. My head, it's the circumference of 21. I have a really teeny weeny tiny whiny head. So I'm just adjusting the straps to the smallest size. And this wig, you guys, it can fit your head if your head is between a circumference of 21 to 23, the wig will fit. Okay, so I'm just plopping it on my head, and I'm just adjusting the comb clips at the back of the wig. And I didn't really put it, like, I don't like when the comb is like poking me, I don't put it directly onto my hair. I don't do that. I just put it on my head. The wig is tight enough, it's not gonna fall off. So I don't really use the combs, but a lot of people do like to have the combs on their wig for security, so that's the reason why we have it there, you guys. So what I'm doing here, I'm just cutting off the excess lace at the front of the wig. So what you'll need for this, you need a really sharp scissors. I like to use a really small scissors because it's just easier to use. But if you don't have a small scissors, that is fine. You can use whatever you have, and you just cut. I'm just cutting the lace at the front, and I'm gonna be cutting the lace off. Okay. So I'm just cutting the lace at the front, just putting little slits at the front, because it's just easier this way to remove the lace. That's what I want to say. And now I am just cutting the lace off the wig. And the way I do it, I do like a little zigzag motion when I'm cutting, because you don't want it to look too wiggy, you want it to have like a natural look. And look at that, you guys, as you can see, it blends in perfectly with my scalp, right? You can't really tell that it is a wig. Like, you can tell, but you can't really tell. Like, it blends in perfectly with my scalp, and you're not gonna really see it because I'm gonna be using my baby hairs to cover that area at the front. But I mean, it blends in with the scalp. I didn't even have to bleach the knots or anything of that sort. I didn't have to use any lace tint to give the lace any color or anything of that sort, you guys. So I mean, and you know what, if you can see that it's a wig, if someone comes up to you and they're like, oh, it looks wiggy, that means you're too close. Okay, that means you are too close to me. You're not supposed to be that close. So what I'm doing here, guys, I'm just finished cutting the lace off the front of the wig. I mean, God, my God, I am loving it already. Look at that scalp. Oh my God, I am loving it. And you guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, feel free to subscribe. Okay, hit the subscribe button. It is absolutely free. And also leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you guys think of this wig. Also, don't forget, you guys, to like this video if you like this video. Like, I know you like this video, so just like the video, okay? And another thing, you guys, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload any new videos. Okay, so this is the baby hairs that comes with the wig, you guys. And no, I am not gonna be wearing it like this. I'm just gonna be trimming the baby hairs down a little bit because I do not want, like, I'm not a huge fan of the heavy baby hairs. Like, I'm not a part of that heavy baby hair gang. Like, no sir, no ma'am, not me. So what I'm doing, I'm just cutting the baby hairs, just so that it could look a little bit natural. And then I used my edge control, which is from my store, my Dash 27 edge control. I'll leave all that in the description bar below as well, to kind of just like clean up the baby hairs at the front. Okay, and this is what it looks like, you guys. And so what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna tie the elastic, just gonna to get the baby hairs to dry and all that stuff, and all that white that you see at the front of the braids. I don't know if you guys can see, but I can see it. It's just edge control. Okay, it's not dirt or anything like that. It's just edge control. That was when I was doing my edges, it got into the cornrows. That's all that is. So now I'm just sitting, partying, having a good time, and just letting that baby hair dry. Okay, so that's what I am doing. And then I let it sit there for about 15 to 20 minutes or an hour or whatever. And then after that, you guys, I remove my elastic, and this is what the hair looks like. Okay, this is what it looks like, you guys. Let me know what you guys think of this look, and let me know if you could rock this look. Okay, and also, as I mentioned before, this wig is available for purchase on my website, www.dash27.com. So I'll leave all the details in the description bar. You can grab one if you want. All right, so that's it. That's all, you guys. Stay blessed. Keep motivated. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.